Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 19th, 2022. We're going to talk about a new cryptocurrency called Apecoin. Yeah, it just recently launched on a plethora of cryptocurrency exchanges, and this is probably going to be one of the main hyped cryptocurrencies to date. A lot of people are going to be paying attention to this market, right? Because it's going to garner a lot of attention, especially on social media. So I want to come in and be a voice of reason to you to try to gauge where the price is going to go for Apecoin. So before I get started, if you all appreciate my videos, my content, if you just like it, then hit that like button. That's why it's there, for you all to justify your reason as to why you appreciate the videos that I am producing. If you want to join the team, guess what? The subscribe button is right next to it. You guys can join me too as we continue to gauge how the market is thinking about these cryptocurrencies. Yeah, the money, it doesn't lie. What we see on the price chart actually tells us what the people are doing. Either they're buying or selling. That's it. So if you guys want to join me, hit the like buttons, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Now, this is a relatively new market, so I cannot give you a 15-year price prediction, right? I can't do that because the market information is not there. I only got so much to go by. So on this video, this is going to be on a short-term basis. So if you don't watch this video relatively soon, i.e. in the next 2 days, you might be a little late on what I'm expecting this coin to do going into the future. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to look at this price chart on a smaller time frame, i.e. minute time frame and the hourly, so that we can try to prepare where market is headed. So check this out, let's get started. All right, so right now you guys can see that we only got 2 days. That's it. We only got 2 days worth of price action into the market for Apecoin on Binance. That's it. We started the market here on the 18th of March. It opened at $8.51. You guys can already tell it's up there around 14 now. Look at that. That's already a 62% run already. And within that day of March the 18th, the market actually topped out at 18. You see that? So this is actually 110% in one day from low to high. Yeah, in one day. Like, this is fantastic for you to get this much volatility, this much range in a day on a daily basis. Like, that's crazy. You don't see that in the stock market. So let's see if it's going to continue though, because I do suspect that as more and more hype continues to come into this particular coin, it's going to go up, because everyone's going to play off of, like they've done with Shiba Inu, just like they've done with Dogecoin, just like they've done with SafeMoon. I mean, people jump on the bandwagon. This is one thing that the market is creating, is these social media conundrums to where people come in and just jump on because it's getting a lot of hype. You don't see a lot of hype going on into the stocks. No, because that's old money. The cryptocurrency space is new money. New money is participating and actually showing you what they believe, basically, of what they're buying. And you guys can tell here on the 7-hour chart in Apecoin that the market is still here buying. Now someone is selling. Like, let's keep it a buck. In order to have a complete trade, one has to be a buyer, the other has to be a seller. That's it. So even though you might say that people are mostly buyers, well, there's also people who sellers. Everyone has to play one role. So you all can see here that Apecoin is still here. The market is still geared to go up in price, at least. Now what I'm going to do, I want you all to see this, okay? Because we're going to create an area to which the market needs to uphold trend. So let me break this down to a 15-minute chart. And you all can see here that the market here in Apecoin is still generally in an upward trend, right? We're seeing a very slight trend coming into the market in Apecoin right there. Okay. So you all can see that even here on the 15-minute chart, this market is making higher lows. That's good, because it tells that the strength is still being maintained. So let's see this here on the 90 minutes. Okay, 90-minute chart. Let me go ahead and get rid of, let me see, let me go ahead and get rid of this here. So I want us to follow the longer term trend. Okay, and bring this down so we can follow the market. This is what we do. We just simply follow the market, and we don't make it hard nor complicated. Okay, so you guys can see right here. Okay, even if we were to break this trend, let's say for instance we do see price in Apecoin break this. Cool. But if the next area of support holds around $12, then we are still looking for this market to continue to go up. Just like that. So let's go ahead and look at this on an hourly time frame. Because what we're going to do, we're just going to simply look at the chart to see if the market is really giving us continuational strength. Because I like this area here too, as well, for us to see buyers. The market is holding support here too. Like I said, around $13 to $12 right there. So generally this coin is still strong on a shorter term basis, on an intraday. Intraday simply means you're playing the market moves on a minute to hourly basis, less than a day, right? You're playing it on a very short time frame, and we're still here seeing the strength here to the market in Apecoin. So generally what we're noticing is that, yes, we're going to play the strength into the market in Apecoin. It's just that simple. The market is not lying. The hype here is not lying to us. We like what we see. When the market is giving us strength, guess what? We play along with the strength. When the market shows us weakness, we play along with the weakness, and we expect price to go down. So now, let me go ahead and show you where I think price is going to go. Okay. So, like I said, we're going to do this on a hourly basis. And as long as the market price in Apecoin holds this $12 area, I'll even bring it all the way down here to 1050. We're going to look for the market to go up. Okay. Now, let's look at this on a 30-minute basis, because I want us to see where the market highs can go in, because you all can tell that we already hit some restriction here. Okay. This is where the selling started right here. We got to take note. So as this market price in Apecoin continues to go up, we need to be prepared to eat off the play there around $16. That gives us 13.7% already right off the bat. We can even see it hit that $18 area initially too. That's around 18%. So this is how we're going to play this. We're simply going to look at prior areas of restriction into the market in Apecoin and be prepared for it to do just that. Go to these levels, find sellers, and we'll take the bag. We'll take the profitability there. Okay. So now let me go ahead and put this down, because we're going to go ahead and play the strength here into the market in Apecoin. We're going to play this on the 90-minute chart because we get a little bit more information there and it doesn't look complicated. All right. So we're going to play this on a 90-minute, and I'm it. That's it. I'm done. So this takes us into what, March the 20th. So take a look at this play over the next 2 days, and we're bringing it to the 21st. Let's run it through this weekend. All right. So like I said, you got a small time. This is not one of those long-term plays in the market in Apecoin. So I want you all to let me know, what do you think? Hit me up and tell me, where do you suspect that this coin's price is going to go over the next couple of hours? Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.